Hi there. Welcome to my video on affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and some tips on how to get started and succeed in this lucrative business model. But first, you may ask, what is the affiliate marketing? I can say, affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where you earn a commission by promoting someone else's products or services. It's a win-win situation for both the business owner and the affiliate. The business owner gets more exposure and sales, while the affiliate earns a commission for every sale they generate. You may ask again, what is the benefits of affiliate marketing for businesses and affiliates? Well, the benefits of affiliate marketing are numerous. For businesses, it's a cost-effective way to increase sales and exposure without having to invest in advertising or marketing campaigns. For affiliates, it's a way to earn passive income by promoting products they believe in without having to create their own products. You may say again, I understand, but how to find and join affiliate programs? It's simple. To find and join affiliate programs, you can start by doing a search on Google or using affiliate networks like ShareASale or Commission Junction. Once you've found a program you're interested in, you can sign up and start promoting their products. And to promote affiliate products, it's important to have a website or blog where you can share your content and include affiliate links. Creating a website or blog is easier than you might think, and there are many platforms available like WordPress or Wix. You may ask again how I can build an audience. It's also simple. Once you have your website or blog up and running, you need to start building an audience. This can be done through various methods like content marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing. The key is to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience and builds trust with them. And to be successful in affiliate marketing, it's important to follow best practices like disclosing affiliate relationships, creating high-quality content, building trust with your audience, and continuously testing and optimizing your strategies. So to maximize affiliate revenue, there are several ways to maximize your affiliate revenue, such as negotiating higher commissions, upselling and cross-selling, leveraging affiliate networks and platforms, and scaling your affiliate marketing efforts. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a smart business model that can help you earn passive income while promoting products you believe in. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you can get started with affiliate marketing and build a successful business. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips and resources on affiliate marketing.